In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund EA Play subscription PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly request a refund for a specific game purchase or a subscription for your PlayStation 5. You have to do this process through the website. In here, you will be able to check the eligibility of your refund and request it, so access PlayStation.com through a web browser on your computer or your phone. I highly recommend trying to do this on a PC or a laptop, but you can absolutely go to the PlayStation website using any smartphone that you have. So when you arrive at this page, go over to support and then click on support once more. Inside of the PlayStation support page, the second category is going to be PlayStation Store and refunds. So choose this option and then finally refunds once more. Now you will have two options at the left: cancel and manage purchases, and then requesting a PlayStation Store refunds. They will give you three categories: games and add-ons, subscriptions, which is what we're looking for, and pre-orders. Of course, if your order falls within games and add-ons or pre-orders, choose these options instead, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be selecting the second. A subscription includes any purchase of a service with recurring fees from PlayStation Store, such as PlayStation Plus. So all that you have to do now is choose the request refund option. They will once again talk about the eligibility. If you know that you are eligible, you can scroll all the way down here, confirm once more, and contact the PlayStation support. If the PlayStation support is unable to help you because it is going to be an EA Play subscription, then you will have to talk to them instead. But usually anything that you purchase and manage through the PlayStation Store should be refundable on this page. So I hope I was able to help you on how to refund EA Play subscription PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.